Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Jasmine, and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to do a frontal quick weave styled into like this half bun, blunt bob at the back, slick back, frontal quick weave. So I'm gonna start off with a braid down, like a regular wig braid down, and yeah, just go ahead and grease her scalp and get her capped up for the dryer. So I am gonna use some spray adhesive on the front to mold the cap, and then yeah, we're gonna get this bald cap popping. Okay, I feel like bald capping is like my favorite thing to do. I don't know why, just it's an art to it, and I love it. This frontal I actually got off of, well, I didn't get it, she got it off of Amazon, and I just heard this was a really good frontal. It came pre-plucked and bleached already, and I'm going to show you all that here in this video in just a second. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, this is hands down the best HD frontal on Amazon. If you don't got it, you need to get it. If you're looking for a good frontal, you need to get this one. So check out the link in the description box below, and I will also just make sure you click the link in the box below. It'll take you straight to the product that you could purchase on Amazon. And yeah, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, this is probably the best frontal I've ever seen literally off of Amazon, and it came pre-plucked and pre-bleached. So check out that link. So yeah, we use this to go ahead and do this molded back 3D part style, and it came out super cute. This is my client Kayla, love her, sending hearts, 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 love you Kayla girl. And yeah, we are just going ahead and get started on this quick weave for her. So I'm going to make sure that I grease her scalp. Because I greased her scalp, I made sure to sew down the back of the cap, because sometimes that quick weave solution won't grip well to hair if it's too greasy. So to combat against that, I did just do a light stitch at the back of her neck. And yeah, we just kind of got into this quick weave. This came out super cute. If you need a cute little style, if you're a frontal girly, this is really, really cute. She actually just came back recently to get a restyle on the front, and we did like a little braid style. I'll be sure to include pictures of the restyle at the end. But this came out super, super cute. And if you are looking for a good frontal, make sure you click the link that's in the description box. Per usual, if you are not subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can see what's popping at the Pretty Lounge every Sunday at noon. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can see what's popping at the Pretty Lounge every Sunday at noon. There are thousands, I said thousands, and at this time there's only like 160 something videos on my channel, but there's a bunch of videos on my channel to help you in hair tutorials. There's all kind of stuff on here. I have everything organized by playlist. If you go to the playlist on my channel, you will see an extensions tutorial playlist. You'll see protective style playlist. You'll see natural hair coloring playlist. You'll see a wig playlist. It's just, I be just doing stuff, y'all. Okay, I be doing stuff at the Pretty Lounge, and I be wanting to share it with the world. I love filming myself, and yeah. But look, y'all, look at that. Y'all see that? Y'all see that frontal? Fire. That is a fire frontal. Okay. So yeah. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, go ahead and drop down in the comment box. I'll be sure to get back to you. And as always, I appreciate any and everyone that is viewing this video at this time. I really enjoyed doing this style. I thought it was super, super cute. She was going to a concert, and it just really went with her overall look. Like, aesthetically pleasing, okay? Aesthetically pleasing. So I put that quick weave solution on her. I'm going to put her up under that dryer. I'm going to prep this frontal that came pre-plucked, pre-bleached, the whole 9. And yeah, then we're going to get to gluing these tracks in. And if you just stay toward the end of the video, you'll see how I attached hair to the ponytail for a bun, or a more fuller bun than just using a frontal, of course, because we can't do that. So just stay tuned to see how I did that. This tutorial is very detailed, and I love to share my work. So again, thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you all again next week. So you can see what's popping here at the Pretty Lounge. I have no idea what I'm gonna post, but I'm sure it's gonna be good, just like this video right here. Okay? All right, y'all. See y'all next week. Peace.